Imagine looking up at the night sky, and instead of one moon, you see two glowing giants hanging above the Earth. How would this change our world, our nights, our oceans, our history? Today, we explore an extraordinary question. What if Earth had two moons? And the answer is far more dramatic than you think. Section 1. The first changes. If Earth suddenly gained a second moon, the first thing we'd notice would be the night sky. Nights would become brighter, sometimes almost like daylight. Two moons, two shadows, two glowing orbs traveling across the sky, each with its own phases. A full moon and a crescent moon together, or sometimes both moons shining brightly at the same time. The sky would never look the same again. Section 2. Tides go wild. But beauty comes with danger, because the real impact begins on Earth's oceans. With two moons pulling on our planet, tides would become much stronger. High tides would rise higher. Low tides would fall lower, and powerful tidal waves would strike many coasts. These supertides would reshape shorelines, flood cities, and change the way humans live near the ocean. And stronger tides mean stronger currents, which means storms would explode with more power. Two moons could make Earth's weather far more extreme. Section 3. Nature evolves differently, and nature would adapt in strange and surprising ways. Animals that depend on moonlight or tides would evolve completely differently. Sea turtles that follow moonlight to lay eggs would have new patterns and new dangers. Nocturnal animals, wolves, owls, bats, would struggle with brighter nights. Some may develop sharper senses. Others may become active at new hours. Even plants that grow with the lunar cycle would follow two cycles instead of one. Life on Earth would evolve in ways we can barely imagine. Section 4. Human history is rewritten. If Earth always had two moons, human civilization would not look the same. Our calendar, based on the moon, would be completely different. Ancient cultures would create stories, myths, and gods inspired by the twin moons in the sky. Sailors would navigate using two lunar patterns, and humans might build different technologies to track two glowing companions orbiting above them. The world's religions, calendars, festivals, and even languages would evolve under the influence of two moons. Section 5. The dangerous possibilities. But the biggest question is, what happens between the two moons? If they orbit too close, their gravity could pull on each other, disturbing their paths and potentially causing a cosmic disaster. One moon could break apart, forming a ring around Earth like a smaller version of Saturn's rings. Beautiful to look at, but deadly for satellites and future space travel. In the worst case, a moon could even drift toward Earth, and that would mean a collision powerful enough to end life as we know it. Conclusion. Grand and emotional. So what would happen if Earth had two moons? We would see brighter nights, stronger tides, more extreme weather, changed animal behavior, a different human history, and the possibility of cosmic chaos. A second moon would make our planet more dramatic, more dangerous, and maybe more beautiful. Would you want to live on a world with two moons watching over you? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more amazing what-if stories about our mysterious universe.